Choboy alone doesn't win election. Free Zone CEO Mary Awusi tells NDC grassroots. Abuja Mwakwa Badiba Island Media Ghana. Send any day you can share any messages or best subscribe or like it. Now do comment and also add to her Edia Mine. Nano pedi ya boni tentem so. Okay and chair and I'm a video be about Bawumia ne X8. Ayama mi rules one obeying will free Ebeka 4 days. Emma yakotu aba will free Bawumia ho. Aye free Bawumia campaign MPP party ni mu started interviews bia and also creating controversial on social media and so my MPP for so my mpenimfo ni beka safa ho no and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama an appointment as senior presidential staffer e wona so ye NDC for ebeka safa ho grassroots no said that ben na maame we ye be join NDC a sisi yama no appointment obeye senior presidential staffer na ye to boy ya ye dede ya ye campaign ama ona waba ye ne ye adwuma no kra no ye nyanya appointment no be free MPP mu ba sisi ya obi a wa betray ne penya wona ne nam wotuma kwa interviews akeka kanzama kese egu no so a NDC fo ye dede na ene ye ma me Awusi abechirim kwan nam so a wonya sa appointment no ene ni pa nam ne so emani nya appointment no yanko hwe emra na odi ni nkomo o TV XYZ yanko hwe enzemu a okan
me wie no na me de ba say about appointments ye nua ba Rosemont appointment said the agitations kakra aba from na mesre NDC for mesre especially your grassroots ese omunya apotre me de mete obia ase because me a grassroots person and I yen mu bi ne ba am ho besre mu vote yenim koma am ne yitie ene bo sha ye de shame ye besre ye wo 4 years ansan ye besa akọ 4 years akọ 4 years asa akọ 4 years na the first 4 years ye remu ye besre afa ni atwa 6 months per ye rua the 7th month first month ye January after 7th no sessuary was January 7th mebo until after January 7th no na ohwema na ye omampanyini appointment na all ye ntina memu na ankasa na ensheda start ye ena still akwa appointment kra ye hwie enti mesre omunya abotre na abotre ni mu no so omunsan fanhye omutire mu se ohwe the numbers up meka NDC numbers ayewo ayewo book ma enye obia na benya appointment enye obia na benya appointment chobo ye nyina aye chobo nanso ye hu ne se 4 years the appointment ya ya ba ntami ebia na 4 years no kwantu ye nyina ye be ye reshuffle ebi be free ha kwa ha ebi be free ye nka ne sempo enipa as part of human beings ye society ewo kra ye dey awom for no dey na obi empese obeka ho asem whether we like it or not
there some people ne
enye na brand 41 years okui woti ase enti enye den ya ebi beba beka ho na ebi nso free mu ena nye obia nso na ebenya bie na emo meme Awusi ameti hedi ade amede atomakoma so oba me office na NDC ni bia waba me office bedi ho adanse ne se ehemeti ko se eye politics na de makotena akonwa ne so enye obia na benya sa akonwa no 2024 adwuma ye NDC ni bia ye adwuma obia in their own small way from the branch to the constituency to the region to national obia ye adwuma enti se nipa ko enya appointment na so oba me officer my doors are always open so oba no wahumi a na meni ho nipa ko ba ne me office no be kana asem chemia my own small way bia me to me dey abo nipa no me ye de bo nipa ko enti mesre my colleagues CEOs yem penny for ministers amonya akwanya no party for na enya appointment ne ba yem fa wo na yen hwe wo
very important
it's very important say nipa ko wo problem no oba na utimi so kakra no obi nso so nchen kakra mana onye that better talking about appointment on social media na emom nipa ko be hwehwe no feel so wo ye adwuma obi okra no ye polling agent obi okra na Ashanti region adwuma ye den ne ne pakro ba office abechia na so mie pono mini ho ne sa nyoma na
because ye yare ene
ebi okra na ye
betima ye program e bewie ne gate ebi ana yere
me be and now flyer yi ba abontin enko for try me for more and I will make sure say I will attend to everybody enya ne kese kasa kra wo bebie wa no akasa che nipa kra no e manakoma eto ne
awre chichire wo nipa
awre chichire fi nipa ho e na kakra wo benya ne nso no wo ma ne kakra kra nyame be hira
so be so chichire
e na de ya na ahometene say ya na your comrades ni bi refi said they will go back to the constituency for elections meme dear I'm not going back for any elections and so onum po no me bo modern say kakra metimi ayabo party ni bia obewura me office bia no me yabo no ti mesre say me nuanom appointees onso mo ene nipa men kasa be bem say me nuame be ye mo kan asem bebre na me kan asem ketua bi na me dey so is about Rosemont appointment and he said ye enkofo e kasa wo ho mesre mo munya abotre. Some of these appointments, munim the rationale behind it.
Yes. An appointing authority.
Rosemont girl no, and some of the Babontia granting interviews. My office no be the bar first.
I remember. Wow. I remember you called me on that day. Oh no, I didn't bar.
I'm the bar.
That was on the 3rd December 2024.
Na me ankasa
4 days to election.
After 8 years in opposition, now you so desperate to save Ghana.
Yeah.
Ghana ba me hono. I asked her this question. Are you sure you want to do this? Was madam said my life you be kumi krana.
Wow.
Change of power ba. Na Bawumia pa be president.
Me see.
It mean pene
secretary Alesta. The secretary.
What you say?
Wow.
Me na me ma girl no platforms, media platforms was starting your kasai. Na ensem na was starting share go me office wey is go buy no. O kasa na me ho popo. Na me suro nsem ni bi.
Because na me suro ma no.
Na me suro nsem ni bi na life. Enti that day na wo buy ya wo be kan san nsem ni chem ni mama na nda ni fie. Me na me ya arrangements ma ne ko hu. Your brother Ibrahim Mahama.
Wow.
Ibrahim Mahama na pay baby man try because na we were so scared to say we say MPP na not we
ruthless.
What you say?
Ruthless.
It is I get away. And new man what in life I am. Yeah, man a ministerial appointment.
Yes, presidential staff.
Presidential staff. For all you know, it become a new office.
Oh.
Most of the presidential staffers they don't even have their own offices.
It's true.
Intimate ye nyina ye chobo baby no chobo ne bi die
risky.
You manipa
say you don't sa kola we say enyoma wo ye me say me na me start man platform e me de say Mugabe who can me refinka me
she came here we all listened
ni fa ne de ne ba me office no I thought maybe MPP for asoma so me rayimu na ebia o mepe ye meme ibi ni o monko de dan ko twitwa the naked pictures in Fema Point. You know, we had that information said during the election time no na MPP 4 years annual man into obaye no na me hwe no with 2 eyes.
Check the date on the flyer.
What you say? Into obaye no it took her about 3 meetings for her to be able to convince me before I remember
3rd December. Rosemont Dobin, former National TESCON coordinator, and PA to Dr. Bawumia campaign office.
Personal assistant.
Wow, one-on-one with Mugabe. That was Tuesday.
And you might get ratio good from. Other information our them my
A boy. Bawumia office is going to me respond.
Bawumia office and to me respond
to any of it.
A Bawumia to say they are slappy will be say no money super money as
deep.
Then somebody be a deep. And money be a why and to me a fanny na
yeah.
Social media.
Check my messages to you on that day when I was telling you that.
What you say?
You just slow down. Because the answers, yeah.
Mestremo, ebia o ye newcomer. Benny information on the bar last minute no.
Boy, in a Kelly game no kura.
A Kelly game no.
Yeah. You holding it to say yen bar.
Wa ba yen fa no, yen gino. Sa na ye gini pa. Yen gino. Ye yen sa anso a ebe ma afoforo.
Yeah.
Ebe attracting kofo. Abeka ye ho na enye easy oni kunu woni ne sister ketwa ba ko pese e na neti enti the day oba me ho no me se e che me ne ye 3 meetings ansa na me ye convince say why ready say ope ba bontia be ye de oye even it took the intervention of Yankasa General Secretary, Honorable Fifi Kwete.
Yeah.
You know the role she played. Even
what you say?
It was very short.
I know convince him. Say, okay, let's give her the opportunity. So I am ready. So Ababa out. Ababa candy or person Canada. I am on a platform. And so I made see as a start a man on media platforms. And no more would be brave, no. And you need the bar point, sir. Yet be here, Juma, sir. It's me who say about last minute. Your uncle phobia or what? Or more about last minute.
Better late than never.
Better late than never. Then so then some hour the bar, you know. Na ebia na mood na ebwa. He's in his own wisdom, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. The biameka.
On your appointment,
kwa.
Say Dr. Kalisto is now Nobu Jolos.
What you say? On your appointment, kwa. Ebia wo de ma ya no nkyerese won kai wa na say onu de wo betimi aye. But there are some appointments or ye no strategic.
Yeah.
Right, Abusia, sani ama me Mary Awusi eka eno no. Nti se wo ye NDC ni anaso di amanyo ko bi echi a na wa ye steady woni e ma bi a wo ye ho. No krenza mo kan no kren cause nye obia na ebenya appointment say we di party nachi aye campaign ama no manaba power ntino e wo say wunya appointment dabi na appointment na ngasa yesen hwenipa dodo eye campaign edema NDC manaba power nti waka so mo appointment a enye obia ne benya bi nti wo ye youth na wo ho na wo di amanyo ko bi echi no pe me ka kire wo say fa wo ho adwen obi ye campaign emene wodafo mu ntumi nsore no akwa adwuma card bi mo hwe ase ema obi abubu dadam card bi ko hwe ase manani atu ema na wanya problem manani nyina enhu ade all in the name of campaign for a political party and you one of my enka say anaze me nka say enya campaign wa party nemo at rate as which are na enkofu to me a campaign to the extent that like what fun work up adwuma wo pa won kwankoye na wonam no ye campaign obiti the fan say obiti be takrade no wo o di campaign to echi to Accra. Look at this. Now we gonna say car sebi car do konya accident a eden asem e na abeka say obi prada dem a do obi di okra anything all in the name of campaign. Enti say we do eni ato say me ya campaign ma me party no ba me na appointment no me ka kire say enye no kre enye obia na benya bi say na ma me Mary Awusi e di ato dwa no obia na benya bi nti wo ho na so wo ye campaign ma party no e na party na ba e na wunya appointment a sususu if we say enye mu nyina na benya appointment enti foto wa adwenim na suye nyansa if we say party na wudi akire obi party hunti wadini nua dem obi party hunti wa twesekan edisi ni nua so mre bi atwam ma videos no ebe gentre han wo social media so me nyina ye hu bi enti sane ma me Mary Awusi e kan no sane tie ni enti wo ho a fa ho adwena mu wani nko wadwuma wo ye ho party ne bana so fili party no be campaign mana wo ye campaign mana no yi wani ba kon so ato nchen if you say o chena wo da ho a party baby ana say party member bi emfasi camera wo mana wa wo mu no nti wo ho a na wa fa ho adwene ene wo san de to aso to a ka say eye mpanimfo no so a manya appointment MPs ni ade no mo na mo be san 4 years ne so mo be call back to constituency wo akwasiro mo so mo nto abamma mu it is a grassroots ne ba na so mo be kasa mu nti o mo so pam na kakra betuma ye ade aboa no ye fabo no ahaya ala media Ghana ensemi wadwen kire ewo ho eni sei fa to comment section wo be ba making kind ade ama